Welcome back to the world of trucks from Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. Lots of gorgeous trucks on the grounds today. Let's see what Doc Riley has found for us.
Why do you have Flowmaster exhaust on your vehicle?
Because I love to hear the horsepower through those mufflers. I had it before, and I'll always like Flowmaster.
Meanwhile, back out on the monster truck course, that's the Summit truck, and it's driven by Dan Runte. He will face the big dog.
A pair of Fords here, and there's going to be a Dodge against the Ford. So Ford's outnumbering everybody else at least 3-1. There we go. Dan Runte and Doug Nolte, and Dan Runte, Summit Bigfoot, your winner.
A little bit of problems there from Doug Nolte. Let's see exactly what happened on the replay. Rick, it looks like he might have lost power about half track.
Sit there equal here, but then he just slows down. Looks like he gets a little off course. Runte trying to get to his first win of the year, and that's hard to believe with Bigfoot.
Let's go down to top end.
Dan Runte takes a win right there. Nice pass.
Yeah, it was. I mean, it got a little loose, but I guess Big Dog did too. You know, it's a lot out there. You know, it's throwing you up in the air a little bit, and you're having to drive it back the second set of cars. We knew we had to run tough there. I mean, pulled one out for Bigfoot there, but like I said, it's a driving course.
Back out on the course, there's the T-Max, driven by John Cisak, and he will face the Raminator Dodge by Mark Hall. Rick, could there be some intimidation factor here?
Well, there always is when you're up against Mark Hall driving. Tim Hall is the crew chief, points leader, the defending series champ. And we'll see what, oh my goodness, this is the upset. That hometown hero, T-Max, makes it into the final.
Intimidation or not, that's the way it worked out. Ever want to ride in a big truck? Here you go.
What do you see? Oh, that first jump you see, nothing but sky and then the ground as you come down. This looks like a good ride for Cisak.
Down on top end, he has got to be pleased.
Awful lot of horsepower out there in that track.
Yeah, definitely, man. It's a fast track. You're coming in. I didn't lift at all. I mean, the light went green. I planted my foot to the floor, and I didn't lift till we were way past the finish line. I don't take any chances, you know. This old Traxxas T-Max is awesome. I couldn't ask for a better sponsor, better company to be hooked up with. I'm a big kid, and I get to drive a big toy now.
Well, this one is going to be very interesting going into the final. Summit Bigfoot will face the T-Max. Time now for a product highlight, which features some of the most interesting and innovative aftermarket products for your vehicle.
On this product highlight, it should be of interest to anybody who does any towing. Now, if you have mud flaps on your tow vehicle, it's protecting that part of the equation. But what about whatever it is you're towing? What protects that? Towtector is designed to do that, and Dan Skibout is the president of Towtector. You've got an interesting little demonstration here of what happens when you're towing something.
Yes, Bill. It's a misconception with most people. They think they're protecting what they're towing by just simply putting on a mud flap. People don't realize that most of the debris that is hitting what they're towing is coming in between their back wheels. So it's very, very important to get protection across the full back of the vehicle.
Talk about Towtector now. It's individually designed for specific vehicles, not one size fits all.
Correct. There's different widths for different vehicles, and there's several different heights of brush strips that accommodate different receiver heights. Our patented support bar keeps the brush strips from blowing back and gives you maximum protection.
Phil, one of the things I like about the product is it has double brush strips rather than single, and that really should keep your towed vehicle protected. And the mounting bracket seems really simple.
Yeah, Bill, what we did here from the beginning was let's do it right. So what we did is we backed it up with a double brush strip, okay, which gave double the protection. Also, the easeability of mounting this thing on the ball mount. You can put the ball mount right through the product and put it right into the receiver, and it takes just a matter of seconds. The clamping device, too, is totally awesome. It's real easy to put on and real easy to take off. Also with this product, we've put a wall mount storage bracket with it that can be mounted in your garage. So when you take it off of your vehicle, you can put the whole thing up on the wall for easeability. As fast as it goes on the wall is as fast as you can put it back on your vehicle.
Thanks a lot, Phil. It's called Towtector, and it may be the best product out there, not so much for protecting your tow vehicle, but what's behind it.
World of Trucks is being brought to you by Honda, the power of dreams. And by Hallmark, built strong for the way you work and play.